Sequence diagram. What is a sequence diagram? Sequence diagram is a one type of interaction diagram is used to describe some type of interactions among the different elements in the model. It helps us to understand the relationship between the elements in a given model, and it also helps to capture the time. It just shows the time movement and the flow of the time between the two elements. So what all there in the sequence diagram? You can see the first and the foremost thing in the sequence diagram is the object. You know what is the object? Object is the instance of classes, and these in the sequence diagram they are arranged horizontally. You can see over here they are arranged horizontally. So actor. Most of the cases actor won't be present, but actor, he is having a specific goal in the sequence diagram. What is a lifeline? Lifeline identifies the existence of the object over time till the existence of the last point of the object. The lifeline is seen over there. The notation for a lifeline is a vertical dotted line extending from an object. Activation. So activation can be seen in the rectangular boxes, and the activation is used for performing an action. Message. Message is taken from one activity to the other activity, and the calling function and the returning the data and everything is done using the messaging. So self message. So self message is like the activity which is taking the information by itself and calculating the data. This comes under the self message, and recursive message is also the same thing. Self message occurs when an object sends a message to itself with recursive scope. So this is a scenario for online examination system. This is our sequence diagram. You can see the attributes and the functionalities, and their explanation is given over here. So let's go to our diagram. So this is our sequence diagram. So you can see the objects like student, exam website, web server, admin, and database. So first of all, the student should register, then he have to log in, and then he can access the question paper and do the process. So first he is going to click on the examination register tab. So the exam website is requesting the web server, and if the details are sent, and he can enter the information, and the student information can be verified. If it is a valid data, it will be saved to the database. If it is invalid, then the re-enter information message will be displayed. So when it is a valid details, so student will be asked to enter the ID and password. So when the database checks the ID and password are valid, so he can display the question paper and the answering and the verification and the marks calculation and score calculation, and display score is done over here. You can see later on we destroyed the element because the existence of the object is done and the process is done. So you are destroying the object. You can also notice that there are the backward arrows. These are written arrows which are taking the message from the one object to the other object in return when it is questioned. So these are the requests sent, and you can see this is the lifeline, and everything is done over here. So like this we can construct a simple sequence diagram.